Hello, beautiful. Hi, William. Thank you, William. Ano may tinapay mga drama? Yeah. Thank you for watching, guys. Hello. Thank you for watching. Hello, Dalia Sharif. Hi, Dalia. Hello to you. Hi. Thank you for watching. Myrna Ortiz. Hi, Myrna. Tigil sa... What? What? I'm from Philippines. I'm from Philippines, Dalia. I'm from Malaysia. Ah, you're from Malaysia. Nice to meet you, Dalia Sharif from Malaysia. You know Kairi? No, I don't know Kairi. What Kairi means? What Kairi means? Please like and subscribe. Thank you, team. Thank you, my team. Welcome, Party. You have a beautiful day today, and I see you later. I'm towards and sleeping. I love you, baby doll. Thank you, William. Thank you so much for joining me here always. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you joining here always. Thank you so much. Sweet dreams. Good night. I'm subscribed. Oh, thank you so much, Dalia Sharmia. Thank you for the subscribe. Thank you so much. Tap your skin to give your channel a like. Thanks. Thank you, team. Thank you, my team. Thanks, Dalia. What food? What your favorite food? What are food? Bicol Express. My favorite food. Vegetable with dried, with not dried, smoked fish. I love the ginataang vegetable. I love vegetable with coconut milk, with smoked fish. I slice smoked fish and with, yeah, mixed vegetables. I love it. And adobo, pork adobo. Oh yeah, she likes everything. Yeah, I like everything, but I have a favorite food. Hi, John. Chirap, Chirapiki. Hi, Chirapiki. Thank you for the thumbs up. Nathan Lopez. Hi, Nathan Lopez. How are you? Oh my god. Why you don't like? What you don't like? I don't like exotic food like cockroaches. They eat cockroaches, something like that. I don't like that exotic. If you want Bicol Express and the time she goes, she will give anyone the address. The color, I love the color is sky blue. Sky blue is my favorite color. And the white. I like white color. White and sky blue. You're so beautiful. Thank you, Dalia Sharif. Thank you so much. I think you too. You're beautiful, Dalia. It's a small tip to Thank you, Dalia. Thank you. Nice to meet you. Dalia from Malaysia. something watching TV there at my parents' home. That's why the noise. How old are you? I'm 40 years old. 40. 40. 40 years old already. Yes, it's 12:51. In his splendor. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Thank you so much. Picture English. I'm not so fluent in English. Sorry. Apple Roses Penna. Hi, Apple Roses Penna. Are the boys watching porn? What? Thank you for thank you for watching, guys. What your favorite animal? I don't like animals, but I like and the animals I like. What is? I don't like animals. I think the cat or the dog, something like that. I don't like animals. What's that sound behind you? They watching TV. My parents they watching TV. That's why it's a noise. That's what it sounds like. Thank you for watching. Thank you for the time, Zach. Thank you, guys. At sa pagsapit ng dilim. What is your favorite song? My favorite song is Your Love. Your love is like the sun that lights up my whole world. I feel the wind inside. It sounds like the other word sounds earlier. Yeah, yeah. That's what is that you watch? I think it's like a horror. That's why it sounds weird. The screaming, the quiet, something. It's weird sound. That's why maybe. Oh, so good. Yeah. You, what is your favorite movie? I think. Dahlia, what is your favorite? Me, my favorite movie is Titanic. He didn't say to sing it, but I sing. That's why. Why is your love? My favorite. The title, your love. That's why. Stop it. That's not a ano. It's a horror. My God, it's a horror. What? Yeah. No, it's. Oh my God. See, Tim. Dalia asking what is. Oh my God. Stop it, Tim. No, that's not ano. No, don't mind Dalia. She like watching. Oh my God. My favorite movie is Viva Max. Joke. Dalia, that's no, it's not a good. So maybe you need to. You don't listen to him. He's crazy. Marilu Cristobal. Hello po. Hi, Marilu. Said hi, Eric Cantabria Diaz Garrido. Hello. Hi to you. Your name is so mahaba. So long. My favorite movie is horror movie. Ah, okay. Me, my favorite movie is Titanic and the Harry Potter. I like cat. Yeah, but yeah, but yeah, I like cat. I don't like horror. I love zombie. Ayaw niya daw ng horror pero gusto niya zombie. Oh my God, Marlo. Soy Espanol, si TV Moy Linda. Ah, thank you, Eric. What it means? I love. Shut up, Tim. Stop saying that. Oh my God. Hablas Español. You're funny, huh? It's not a funny. Spanish is not spelling. Bye. I'm eating. Bye bye. Pelrose Spinner. Enjoy your meal. Bon appetit. Umiibig sa'yo. Nagturog. What you eating, Rose? What you eating, Rose? Kim asking. Maybe he want to join. Did only to Erwis no si manejar muy bien este. What it means, Eric? Nandito ko umiibig sa'yo. I don't understand Spanish. I understand, but not so much. Not all. Me too. Eric English. Yep. Eric, can you speak English? Eric, please. Go. Hindi. I think only German can understand that. Ah, okay. Hi, hi, Golden. Oh my God, welcome back, Golden. Sabi ko na eh, maybe you will come here 20 minutes. The Ciudad de Filipinas Ares. I'm a Filipina and I'm a living not in ciudad. I live in the province, provincia. I'm not in living in ciudad. I living in province, provincia. Smiling in the camera now. Yeah. Yes. Thank you for joining. Nandito ko. Wait. Just wait. Don't coy, guys. And just. What really Eric's Isa's English? Because she broke up with me, Golden. That's why she is mine. Oh my God. Why she do that? Oh my God. Don't listen to him. He's crazy now. Golden. Oh my God. Tim, don't don't say a lie. You know, I'm so nice and I'm so good and I'm so, you know what? Do you know who I am? My God. Eh. But really, no, don't listen. I'm smart at math. Marilo, wow, that's a great. Tengo intention, they are conocer Filipinas to the case Ciudad Ares. She did that after the earthquake. Golden. Eric in English from Earth. Oh my God. After the earthquake, no. You know what? When doing earthquake, oh my God, you didn't understand me. I feel. My God, But honestly, I'm very thankful that not damages here in the Bicol where I live. And but it's feels sad in the other. Mm, town here in the Philippines is, oh my god, it's so much damage. So it's sad, but it's feel thankful that we feel safe here. Game over. That means up if you get broken up after that. Oh my god. Cebu got hit hard with that creek. Yeah, the Cebu. Eros the Cebu. Yeah, the Cebu. Eros. No, I'm not living in the Cebu. I'm here in the Bicol, Bicolanja. It's true. This I promise you. Thank you so much for watching me here. Thank you guys. Till the day my life is through. This I prom. Oh my god. What? Oh my god. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Thank you so much. Pues ya tengo intención de conocer primero o Cebu o the Baisor. What mean? We will talk later. Why? Why we will talk later? Why? Oh my god. What happened to you, Tam? My god, what happened to you? What's wrong with you, huh? Suddenly? Hey! Sa outro na lang. Are you in trouble? I think he is in trouble. I don't know. Oh my god, suddenly he talk about it. Relax. What relax? What are you doing? Oh my god, you have another one? So, why you tell me? Tell me now. No, she is not. You have another one. Suddenly it's so very quick. She's real in trouble. My god. Me? No, I'm not. Double sur. Ah, the double. Good. What happened to me? No, it's I'm fine. I'm fine here. Maybe Tim, what happened to you? I'm worried. I can afford another one. Yes, because I'm expensive, Charot. He can't afford another one. Very. Oh my god. Very expensive. Eh? Oh, no me gustan las ciudades. Prefiero. What? Eric English. Eric, can you speak English? Steve is getting mad now. Anne Gaming Channel. Hi, Anne. Oh, Anne. Oh, maligaw man sa kawalan, umikot man. Sure, if I delete something, don't read it. Okay. Yeah. How I delete if you how I read if you deleted. Oh my god. I'm reading while I'm reading you deleting. That's why I stopped reading because it deleted. That's why. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for 7 million here now. You can see it. No, I can't see it. If deleted something, comment the moderator. I can't read it. Really, I can't see it because it's deleted. Thank you, Anne. Thank you for joining me here. How are you, Anne? Eric English last time. Thanks. Eric, can you speak English? Thank you. Do you have a twin of you? No, I'm the only one on the earth. I'm me. It's me. I'm only me. I'm the only one. Charot. Joke. I thought you could see it. No, I could. I couldn't see it. Damn. Damn. I need 10 of you. Maybe I know. Where is Mr. Cha? No, Golden. Better not be either one of her. You know what? Golden. Maybe you can be thankful that I have no another one. Because me, Tim, he's kidding. He's crazy of being me. He always said I'm crazy. You think, Cheryl, be normal. So he complaining. Oh my god. So that's why maybe you need to be thankful that you don't need to meet another one of me. Tim, he always complaining. Cheryl, can you be normal? I said, I'm I'm normal. No, I'm in a bankruptcy now. Wow, grabe naman. Tim, I'm not I'm not like that. You know what? I'm simple, I just want a car, a big home for me. I like look like a palace home. It's just a simple. I'm just an iPhone 16 Pro Max, something like that. It's a very simple. Joke, joke. Just a joke. I don't think crazy. And then she kisses the screen. Yeah, it's normal. I kiss the screen. So something like that. She looked more simple. It's not a joke. She looked more as a crier. she she see what she wants. Real simple. It's not a joke. Yeah, because I have nothing. I don't have nothing like that. That's why I want something like that. So it's not if it's happened, I'm thankful. If it's not, it's okay. It's fine. When she get mad, she won't talk. Yep, yep. I can say that. That's why maybe Golden, you will be thankful that oh my god, thank God no one another Cheryl. I have witnessed it. But I'm just, I'm just you like story. Yeah, I love story. Short life story. Love story. Short life story, something like that. Forget when she has her period. I'm afraid to. I'm afraid to talk to her. Oh my God, Tim. I'm so good, so good to nice. They say Philippines women are Christian. Crazy, but lovable, caring, and so, yes, love. Not always, not all the time crazy Filipina. Not all the time. Okay, that's why I think I Tim said, Charlotte, can you act normal? Can you speak Malaysia? No, I don't know how to speak. Dun lang. I don't know how to speak Malaysian. Sorry, Dahlia. I can't speak Malaysian language. See, they only know you from here. I know you well. Don't miss up. Okay, thank you, Delia. Don't pretend you're sorry. I know you got the fire to make me reconcile. Girl, you let me breathless. But it's okay. I know you let so far. I can't imagine life without your love. And even forever don't seem like long enough. Every time I breathe, I take you. She sleeps with a switchblade. Oh, a switchblade? What is that? They, what is that term? Google it. I have no time to Google it. Can you explain it? A knife. No, I'm not. No knife? No. Oh my god. Yeah, yeah, but not on the side, but it's a little far because you know what? I sleep alone here with my God, so I need to be careful. I need to be safe. No one can no one can depend me if someone inside a room with my son. I'm just protective mother. I just protect myself and my son. It's fine. Self defense. If someone going here or wear your paper spray. I wear spray, paper spray. Uh, I have nothing like that spray. Oh my god. She don't live alone as she would see during the earthquake. Mommy, mommy. Yeah, what if something here because we are different door with my parents. I overthink a lot. That's why I'm just be careful and protect myself and my son. People. Yeah, the people spray. Nothing. I have nothing like pepper spray. Spray. There are 15 family members nearby. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Thank you for the time sec. After the live, I'm going to the chosen just to distribute this the bread, the egg, another egg. Did you eat breakfast yet? Yep, I ate breakfast, but not so much because you know that I don't need I need to be diet because you will be disappointed. I feel gain now. Oh my god, I feel gain. You ass is getting big. Yeah, that's a very and I love it. My ass is getting big. Oh, I love it. I see gain. Yeah, I love it. So boring now. I need to go now to the no to distribute this. Bye bye, my team. Bye, Golden. Bye. I love you all. See you next live tonight here. Bye. Call me. Okay. Okay, I will call you. Bye bye.